Okay, so we're going to go and work with another example. We have logarithm of with a base 2, 8x, minus 3, and then a logarithm with a base 2 of 4. So again, the first step that we want to do is we want to move that number to the exponent. So we're going to have logarithm 2, 8x minus logarithm 2, and then 4 to the power of 3. So then if we rewrite this, we're going to have logarithm 2, and then subtraction means that we're going to divide. So that should be 8x divided by 4 to the power of 3, which ends up being 64, which is equal to 3. I forgot to write that down. So it was equal to 3. Okay, so now we're going to switch these around. I'm going to switch these around in order to cancel out that logarithm. And now we have 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8x over 64. So 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8 on one side, and then 8x divided by 64 on the other. So now to solve this, we're going to multiply both sides by 64. So multiply by 64 in order to cancel out the denominator. So we're going to have 8x on one side, and 64 multiplied by 8 is going to give us 512. Now we are going to divide both sides by 8 in order to cancel out the 8 and leave the x by itself. So that cancels out. And now we're left with x, which is equal to 512 divided by 8. So x should be equal to 8. Actually, not 8, but it would be equal to 64. So 512 divided by 8 will be 64.